Hello and welcome to another update video on virtual. So the virtual chart has possibly formed a 5-wave move up. I'm not convinced that this is already a full 5-wave move up because wave 1 was quite long compared to what would be wave 3. It just doesn't really give me a full 5-wave move vibes yet. Yeah, this can be interpreted differently. I mean, I'm just going to show you how, as in the blue count, we can already call it complete. I would simply say this could be wave 1, then this was all of wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Two reasons actually why I don't really like it. Again, it could be, right? It could be, and if I have to say, this does look a little bit as if we are coming down a bit lower, so that might very well be our wave 2. But the bottom line is this is not the cleanest 5-wave move up. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, 3 is quite short, 4 is quite weak compared to the wave 2. This could be a 5, it's also quite weak. So I do have a very, very weak 5-wave pattern to the upside there. It really only did the bare minimum it needs to do there in this 5-wave sequence. So all I can say, I mean, I would prefer still one more high actually, but I said it in one of the member updates earlier today. I'm not impressed by the movement to the upside from this week's low here, which looks like a 3-wave move. So it might really be a B-wave bounce. So to share that with you, and by the way, this is also to answer a question from one of our members who asked, is it over below $1.08? It's not over, but we have a top of sorts in place below $1.08. At the moment, we are holding above this previous breakout point. There was resistance in this area around $1.18. And so this was resistance before. This is now a structural support, also where the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement is located. So I've got, in the white count, wave 1, wave 2. And then, I mean, this could be another 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. 5, yeah. So again, this support area is for the wave 4. So if we can hold $1.08, we could get one more high. I would prefer for a clearer 5-wave move, another high. But then I have to look at the microstructure I'm getting from the low there this week, from the Thursday low, and that's just not impressive. That really looks like a 3-wave bounce. So what can I say? I mean, it is not the cleanest bounce. It's not a 5-wave move up. It's a 3-wave bounce so far. And that could be some kind of a corrective bounce. We don't know yet if this really is an ABC in a wave 2 and actually will hold lower support. But if we break below $1.08, it will open the door to the lower support area. And then this is too deep for a wave 4. And we have to assume this is already wave 2, but really only as long as we're holding 43.8 cents. So bottom line is we're kind of ranging at the moment there. Yeah, we have reacted to upper micro support there and see a bit of a bounce. We see a bit of a bounce, but really not enough for this to be a 5th wave. Okay, and so yeah, we just have to see now if the market can hold $1.08. If we break below it, I'd say there's a good chance to get to around about 75 cents, maybe even 60 cents. What I haven't got is any confirmation that this is already a low of wave 2. I think it's either a wave 4 low, we get one more high, then wave 2, or we are already in wave 2. Overall though, we need to hold 43.8 cents or this entire structure break. So the make or break point, a line in the sand, for me is the 43.8 cent level. That hopefully added some value. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I leave a link in the comment section for you guys because there are also some additional updates of charts that we normally don't cover on YouTube. So yeah, thanks so much. Bye-bye.